Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can report a video on TikTok. So there are about 3 ways to do it on the video. You can either press on the flag above the profile picture of the user, and it'll say like report, and you can like select a reason. There's a lot to choose from. Press the X. Another way is to press on the video and press report. And the last one is press the share button and then press report. So that is basically it. Those are 3 ways to report a TikTok video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!